What?
We're going to see the pigs.
Oh,
We have reached level 100 tourist. Arrived at Thunderball Grotto. We have to beat some tourists to the cave. It's hopping there right now. Let's do this. We're going grotto jumping. My feet are dying. Go, go. Bro, I thought he broke his arm. You good, buddy? You want me to go now?
No. You want to keep the GoPro in your hand?
Yeah.
Yeah, because then you can get it.
Alright, all clear. Alright.
Pop those top clips off first.
I miss the Exumas, but every good thing has to come to an end. What the? Storms are coming. Kind of see the rain off in the distance. Oh shoot, boys. Go.
Okay. Very close. Oh my. We're actually going through this. Pretty cool looking. We need a muffler on this thing. It's probably like right now. We're about to get hit with a storm. And look at the
feet. But my concern is if the wind moves further and further to the east, we're going to put our stern back onto the rocks here on the small island. So I think we're going to lift and go forward. On our left side of the big, the 60-footer up in front of us, there's three balls, three small balls in the water, which are a big ball. And I've already dove on it, and it seems very secure. So we're going to try and go up to that and get ourselves hitched onto it. So I thought I'd give you a heads up what we're doing.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, we were watching you. We were a little bit concerned as well. It sounds like a plan. We'll keep an eye on you. If you need any help at all, just say the word and we can jump over.
What I may actually call for once we get underway, thank you for the offer, is that if you can hop in the dink and find out three balls, you may be able to lift
On
it
it.
so that I can grab it.
We already have the dink down.
Copy that. We got a couple guys in the dink right now. They could even guide you over there if you want.
Roger that. Are they in the dink to help somebody else?
Yeah, they went in the dink to help that motor vessel tie up to the government dock, but they're back now. So they'll go over there now and find those three balls for you and just kind of follow their light.
Okay, we'll take a couple of minutes to get the anchor up and get it out of our way, sort of thing, so it doesn't create a problem.
All right, no problem. So we're ready to go. Just give us a holler and they'll get going on the dink.
Okay, I have a headlight on as well. I think I can see everything, but I'll give you a flash so you know that I've got the anchor underway and my wife is pushing the boat forward so that we can retrieve it.
Perfect. All right, so Coco will be standing by on 17.
Please stay on 17.
All right.
They're kind of helping them. They're sort of a pilot for them right now. Say we're getting very close to swinging into the island. I think that might be boat number 6 that has drug anchor, right?
I didn't even think there was one.
Because when one person was looking, you couldn't see where the boat was.
He had his light on. He had a flashlight, a huge one on us.
I couldn't even see the thimble or whatever it was called. Because
The top of
usually
the
they're
mooring.
right there, right? Like on the, remember every mooring ball we've been on, it's like that plastic thing, right? The little loop.
Yeah, that wasn't like
it's
that?
right there. It was like buried. It was so weird.
Really?
And I was like, there's no
Here, I wanted to-
thimble at all. Then Uncle Jay like stuck his head underwater.
I wanted to interview
Found
you.
it.
What did you just do?
We
You and
saved
Uncle Jay.
someone's life.
What? No, tell me exactly what you guys just
We
did.
just hooked up a dude to the nastiest mooring ball I've ever seen in my life. It was disgusting.
Yeah. Dude almost lost his boat because the boat was slimy.
No, that was when we first got there.
I'm just kidding.
When he got there, I got over the sliminess. But at first, I picked it up and I was so shocked. I was like, what the heck? Like, it was disgusting. It slid out of my hands. Like I picked it up, it was like, and I just had this brown stuff.
So were
all
they
over my
secure?
hands. Yeah.
I think so. We had to bridle hitch him. He had 2 lines.
Go you on 17.
So we.
Uncle Jay like went swimming.
Coco's still on 117. You guys all sorted out?
We seem to be all sorted out, and I just want to say thank you so much again for your help. We owe you a bottle of wine or whatever my wife's going to do, but thank you again. And we'll stay on 16 in case we have a drag later.